Hey guys, welcome back to albesadv. Today I want to do a quick review of this Lexin P5 air inflator. When I go ride the Africa Twin, I usually do not deflate the tires off-road because I never know how to inflate it, and it's usually miles and miles before I can get back home or have access to a compressor. So Lexin sent me this air inflator to test and try out. And so far, I'm actually pretty impressed with it. But enough of the chit-chat, let's get into it and let's see what this little thing does. First of all, let's see what you get when you buy this Lexin P5. Well, obviously, the main unit over here, which, well, it's just as big as my hand. It comes obviously with the little tube to inflate your tires, also come with a reducer, and just in case you want to inflate a soccer ball or a basketball, it comes with the attachment to inflate those as well. Also, you get this USB to USB-C cable, and obviously a manual. And to keep everything well organized, especially if you ride motorcycle, there is a nice little bag that this thing comes in. Let's see real quick a few specs. This is a 5000 milliamp battery, so you have plenty of juice to charge either your phone or whatever else, in my case, GoPros and stuff like that. It goes up to 150 psi, which is enough to pretty much inflate cars, motorcycles, bicycles, and anything else you can toss at this little thing. The company claims that this is twice as fast as the competition. We're gonna put it to the test. I'm gonna deflate my Africa Twin tire, and I'm gonna inflate it from 0 all the way up and see how long does it take. But there is also another thing that I kind of like on this thing, because it's one of those things that, why not? And it's this. It's an LED light, which now inside the garage over here, where there are 10,000 lights, it doesn't look like much, but at night, lifesaver. So first of all, to turn it on and off, you push the power button and you wait for the 3 little light to come on, and then everything comes up. Actual pressure up top, the pressure you programmed in at the bottom, the battery indicator to tell you how much battery is still left, and on the left-hand side, you have the modes. This thing has 5 intelligent modes. Obviously, the most common are gonna be car, motorcycle, bicycle, balls like soccer balls or basketballs, and the 5th is for whatever else, inner tube, a little dinghy, or whatever you can inflate is up to. This one goes up to 150 psi, so there is plenty. They say that with a full charge you can inflate up to 6.5 17-inch motorcycle tires. But let's take a look at the operation real quick. To activate the flashlight over here, you just press and hold the flashlight button. So press and hold, and the light comes on. Press and hold, and the light comes off. You have PSI, you have bar, you have kPa, and you have kilogram per centimeter square, in case you need to go to that measurement over there. And to shut it off, you just press hold, it's gonna say off, then let go, and the thing is off. Only one last thing left to talk about, and is to charge it and to charge other things. First, the charging cable is USB and USB-C, and there is a reason for it. Because when you charge the unit itself, you plug in the USB-C into the unit, You plug the regular USB into whatever charger you have laying around. When you need to charge something else, especially if you have one of the modern gadgets that uses a USB-C, you do the reverse. Plug the regular USB into the device, and then in my case I have an Android, so plug the USB-C, and there it goes, charging. Great! I hope you guys found this review useful. Remember, Lexin P5, if you don't have one of those and you ride motorcycles off-road or on long trip, this is a must. Think about it, get yourself one of those. Thank you very much to my patrons. I'm gonna keep this one because I really like it and it's really useful. So this one will stay with me, but I'm gonna try to get myself a brand new one to do a giveaway for my patrons. Thank you very much to everybody else. Dai tutti, and I'll see you next time. Okay, 33 psi, 2 minutes and 24 seconds, and the battery is still in the green range. So, pretty good.